I want to we discuss about the area. Now, when talking about area, we want to learn how to find the area of a circle. Now, area of a circle is equals to, so formula for finding area of a circle is equals to pi r squared. So now, if you are asked to draw a circle like this, so this one can be a circle, then you are asked to say that the diameter of this circle is 14 centimeters. Then you are asked to find the area of the circle. So now the question says, find the area the area find the area of the circle, find the area of the circle above. So how do you work out this problem here? Now, we say that the area of a circle, A stands for area, is equals to the formula that you just say here, is equals to pi r squared. So here we shall have area as 22 over 7 multiplied by r. R is not 14. 14 is the diameter. R is the radius. So we shall have 14 divided by 2, which shall be 7 multiplied by 7. So here we shall have 7 here once, 7 here once. So we shall have 22 multiplied by 7. And our area shall be 154 square centimeters. 154 square centimeters. So that is how we work out the area. So area, the formula for area is pi r squared. Then we say that the diameter is 14. Once we have the diameter is 14, now our formula becomes here. Find the area of the circle above. So our pi is, which is 22 over 7, multiplied by 7 by 7. Because the diameter is 14, the radius now becomes 7 by 7. And the answer becomes 154 square centimeters. So that is how we work out that part. So let's now move to part B. So part B, a circle can be drawn this way. Then we are asked to find the area of this circle. Here is 7 centimeters. So here we say area is equals to pi r square. Now, so we shall have pi, which is 22 over 7. So we shall have our 22 over 7 that way, multiplied by the radius, which is 7. Yes, this 7 multiplied by 7. So 7 here once. So now we shall have 22 multiplied by 7. And our area shall be 154 square centimeters. So that is how we work out that area. Then the other one, part C, is like this. This one is the circle. Then the diameter is 28 centimeters. Then we are asked to calculate the area. We still use the formula. Area is equals to pi r squared. Then we shall have our pi, which is 22 over 7, multiplied by, so here, this one is 28. We change it into the diameter. So the diameter shall be 14 multiplied by 14, because diameter, radius is twice the diameter. So we shall have 7 here once into 14 twice. So we shall have 22 multiplied by 2 times 14. And 14 multiplied by 2 is 28. 28 multiplied by 2, the answer is 616 square centimeters. So that is how we found the area. Let's work out part D. Part D can be this way. So part D can say that the area of a circle is 154 square centimeters, whereas the area of a circle is 154. Now you are asked to find the radius. Find the radius. So how do you work out this one? When the area is 154 square centimeters, then you're asked to find the radius. We just work out the formula that says area is pi r squared. So our area is 154 centimeter, that is equals to 22 over 7 multiplied by r squared. So here, for us to remain with r squared, we multiply both sides by 22 over 7. This side by also 22 over 7. So here we multiply both sides by the reciprocal, so it shall be 7 over 22. Here shall also be 7 over 22. Then we shall get the radius as, we shall get the radius as 14 centimeters. So there is how we work out the area of a circle. So area of a circle is pi r squared. So our find the area of the circle above this circle. So our area, that is the formula pi r squared, is equals to pi, which is 22 over 7 multiplied by 7 times 7. So when you work out, we get 454. Same here, the area of this circle, we use the formula pi r squared. Then we shall have 22 over 7 multiplied by, we square 7. So when you square 7, it is 7 multiplied by 7. So our answer becomes 154 square centimeters. When you work out this other part, our area is pi r squared. So our pi is 22 over 7 multiplied by, the radius becomes 14 times 14. So the answer becomes 616 square centimeters. Okay, so let's move to the next part. I want us to work out the area of a sector, area of a sector, area of the sector of a circle, area of the sector of the circle. The sector of the circle is just a part of a circle, is just a part of a circle. So we shall have this one is the part of a circle. So this one is one of the part of a circle that we shall have. We shall have this part of a circle. So this part of a circle is a semicircle. So at the center here, at the center is O, and it is, the distance from here to here is 7 centimeters. 7 centimeters. So we are asked to calculate the area of a sector of a circle. So we say that area of a sector of a circle is equals to theta over 360 multiplied by pi r squared, multiplied by pi r squared. Area of a circle is theta over 360 times pi r squared. Now we shall find pi. Now pi is the angle of this. So the angle of this figure here is 180 degrees, because angle at a straight line add up to 180 degrees. So we shall have 180 degrees divided by 360 multiplied by, our pi is 22 over 7. So we shall write 22 over 7 times our this 7 here. So the 7 is the diameter. So we can change it to be 14 centimeter, so that the distance between point A to point B becomes 14 centimeter. Now our radius will be 7 multiplied by 7. So there we shall cancel 180 here once, 180 goes into 360 twice. So 2 here once, 2022, 11. 7 here once, 7 goes into 7 once. So we shall have 11 multiplied by 7. And the answer shall be 77 centimeters square. So that is how we find the area of this sector. So to find the area of a sector, to find the area of the sector, we just take theta over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. Area of a sector, I'm repeating, it is theta over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. So this one is a semicircle that has a diameter of 14. That's why we're having 180. Why 180 degrees? Because this figure here has an angle adding up to 180 over 360 multiplied by 22 over 7 times 7 times 7. Because it's there, we are trying to find what is called the radius. So we shall have 77 square centimeters. Now, it is so easy when, for example, now we have, in case we have something like this, and we have something like this. So what I'm trying to draw is a cylinder. This one is a cylinder. So this cylinder has a diameter of 14 centimeters. This cylinder has a diameter of 14 centimeter and it also has a height of 7 centimeters. Now we are asked to find the surface area. Find the surface area. How do you find the surface area of this cylinder? Now here is the formula. So surface area, stand by CA, surface area is equals to pi is equals to 2 pi r. Surface area is equals to 2 pi r, okay, into bracket L plus R. Then you close the bracket. So surface area is equals to 2 pi r into bracket L plus R. That is how we can find the surface area of a cylinder. Okay, so here we shall have 2 multiplied by the pi, which is 22 over 7, multiplied by the radius, and the radius here is 7. So we shall have 7. Then we close the bracket. Then after closing the bracket, then we shall have L plus R. L plus R is the length. L is the length, and the length is 7. 7 added to R. R is the radius, and the radius is 7. So we add to 7 plus 7 like that. So now we cancel 7 here once, 7 here once. So we shall have 2 multiplied by 22, and the answer is 44 square centimeters. Then we shall have this side L plus R, that is 7 plus 7, and we shall have 14. So we shall take 44 centimeters square multiplied by 14, and then from there we shall have calculated the surface area. Let us work it out together. So 4 by 4 is 16, so we shall have 6 carry 1. 4 by 4 is 16 plus 1 is 176. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 4 is 4. Then the next thing we shall add all of it together. So we shall have 6. 7 plus 4 is 11. Carry 1. 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. So we shall have surface area 616 square centimeters. So guys, if you are joining us for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to this channel because it is the most nice channel of math that you can ever see. Right now, if you are a new visitor, we are talking about how we can find the surface area of a cylinder. And we've said that the surface area of a cylinder is 2 pi r into bracket L plus R. L plus R. Okay, let's work out how we can find the surface area of a cube. The surface area of a cube. So suppose we have a cube. So I'm trying to draw a cube. So this one is the cube that I'm trying to draw. Yes, I've already drawn the cube. Now, so we are asked to find the surface area of this cube. Now, we are given the length as follows. Here we have 4 centimeters. Here we have 4 centimeters. And here we also have 4 centimeters. How do we get the surface area? So here we shall find the surface area. How do you find the surface area of this cube? Now, the surface area of the cube is equals to L multiplied by L. L multiplied by L is length times length. Then you put into bracket. You ask yourself, how many surfaces does a cube has? And a cube has got 6 surfaces. So L times L multiplied by 6 outside there. So because we are going to find the surface area of the cube, you ask yourself, how many surfaces does the cube has? And the cube has 6 surfaces. That's why we are multiplying L by L. Please don't go away, stick until the end. So here we shall have, one of the L is 4, the other one is 4. So we shall multiply 4 by 4. Then you put into bracket 6, because it has 6 surfaces. So here we shall have 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. Then the number outside we multiply by 6. So we shall have 16 multiplied by 6. And 16 multiplied by 6 is 96 square centimeters. So the answer is 96 square centimeters. Working out the surface area is one of the most easiest thing that you can never fail to get. Remember, if you have any question, please subscribe and just follow me on the comment section. We are talking about the surface area of different the figures. Like we are talking about the cylinder, we are talking about the cubes, we are talking about the surface area of cuboids, we are talking about the surface area of triangular prism, we are talking about the surface area of cylinders. So just don't go away, just stick to this lesson. And us to learn how we can calculate the surface area of cuboids. Surface area surface area of cuboids. Surface area of cuboids. I want us to draw a diagram here. So this is the diagram that I'm drawing for a cuboid, I mean. So this is the diagram for a cuboid. So this one is the diagram for a cuboid. So this one is how our cuboid looks like. Okay, so that is a cuboid. Now, here are the measurements for this cuboid. So one of the measurement is 4 centimeter. The other measurement is 3 centimeter, and the other measurement is 2 centimeters. So we have 4 centimeter, we have 3 centimeter, and we have 2 centimeters. Now we are asked to find the surface area of that cuboid. Now you ask yourself, how many faces does a cuboid has? How many faces does a cuboid has? Remember that a cuboid has got a total of 6 faces. A cuboid is the same as a cube. A cube also has got 6 faces. The same way a cuboid has also got 6 faces. Now, so the formula for finding the surface area of cuboid, we shall have this formula. Before we write the formula, remember to subscribe to this channel. If you are already a member, stick to it. Enjoy maths to the end. Enjoy it to the fullest. Thank you. Now, so the surface area of this cuboid, we shall say surface area given by SA is equals to, we shall have L multiplied by width, if we put into bracket. We shall also have L multiplied by width, we put into bracket, plus we also have width multiplied by the height, then we put into bracket that way. Then we shall also have plus again length multiplied by width, length multiplied by height, I mean length multiplied by height. So the surface area is given by this, L multiplied by width, width multiplied by height, and length multiplied by height. All these we multiply them by 2 into bracket 2. Like we are going to say length times width into bracket multiplied by 2 plus length times width times height into bracket multiplied by 2 into bracket length times height multiplied by into bracket 2. Area of cuboids, the surfaces of a cuboids are 6. The surfaces of a cuboids are 6. Let's begin the math now. Now here we shall have, what is our length? Our length is 4. So we shall have the width is 3. 4 multiplied by 3. Then into bracket put 2 because there is another face downwards. Plus again width. What is the width? The width is 3. So we put 3 multiply by the height is 2 times 2. Then you put into bracket 2 that way. Okay, plus again here length times width. So length is 4, width is 3. So sorry, 4 times 2. 4 times 2. Then to bracket put it that way. For the ones that have just joined us, we are trying to work out the surface area of cuboid. So this one is a cuboid that we've just drawn. So its surface area is the one that the formula that we've given, L times width into bracket 2 plus width times height into bracket 2 plus L times H. L is length times H is height into bracket 2. So these ones, like 4 is the length, and this one is the length, times width is 3, and that is 3, plus 3, like that, like that, like that. So let's work out the answer. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. So here the answer is 24 square centimeters. Add to 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, and 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. So plus 12 square centimeters. We add to 4 multiplied by 2 is 8, and 8 multiplied by 2 is 16 square centimeters. So we shall add all these together to give us the surface area. Allow me to add, let's add them together. 24 add to 12. Here is 6, here is 36. Then you shall say add to 16, add to 16 again. 6 plus 6 is 12, 2 carry 1, 3 plus 1 is 4, plus 1 is 5. So the surface area comes 52 square centimeters. So that is how we find the surface area of cuboids, and these are cuboid. So we have to multiply all its faces, like 4 by 3 multiply by 2, 3 by 2 multiply by 2 until we get 8. It's this more or less the same with finding the surface area of this one is of a cube. This one is the surface area of a cube. This one is how we can find the surface area of cuboids, and this other one is how we find the surface area of this other one is how we find the surface area of a cylinder. It is 2 pi r into bracket length plus r. Please, 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 I want to beg you and tell you that there's a lot more that we need to share as a community. Whenever you have free time, just come to this channel, review some of these math problems that we are working out, find the easiest ways of working out the math problem. I can assure you, you'll enjoy them. You will enjoy these maths, as you can see, and there's no any other problem that shall come across you in any math problem, because this channel covers all the maths problem that you may need to know. So I'm requesting you, Ian, when you are free, remember to pass through this channel and please just have a glance on some of the maths that we've always done. Okay, just have a look at them. Okay, so I want us to move to how we can find the triangular prism. The triangular prism. So we have what is called a triangular prism. Triangular prism. Now, triangular prism has got two triangles. Has got two triangles, and a triangular prism also has got these two triangular faces, and it has also got three rectangular faces. Three rectangular faces. So a total of how many faces? 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 faces. A triangular prism has got 5 faces. So this one is how a triangular prism looks like. So this one is how it looks like. If you follow me, this one is how a triangular prism looks like. So we have something like there, and okay, just tune in, hold on. Okay, so this one is how the triangular prism looks like. So the triangular prism looks like this. So here we have the height. So here we usually have the height. So how many triangular faces? 1, 2. 2 triangular faces, the ones that I was showing you. And how many rectangular faces. So these ones are the rectangular faces, like this to this is a rectangular faces. So how we find the surface area is equals to half times base times height. Why half times base times height? Because we have the two triangular faces. Then this one we multiply by 2. So here can be 3 centimeters, then here can be 8 centimeters, then here can be 5 centimeters, and here can be 16 centimeters. So we shall have a half multiply, the base is 8, okay, and the height is 3 times 3 into bracket 2. Okay, so 2 here once, 2 into 8, 4. So 4 times 3 is 12, and 12 times 2 is 24 square centimeters. That one is just the surface area of the two triangles. Now we have another rectangle here, down here, which is 16 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 8. So here we say that a rectangle, area of a rectangle is equals to L times width, and our length is 16 multiplied by 8. And the answer is, let us calculate 16 times 8, 48, 8 carry 4. This one is 128 square centimeters. Then we also have another, how do you call it, another rectangle, that is 16 by there's another part here. So we shall have 16 multiplied by 5. Yeah, there's 5 here, 5 centimeters. So we shall have 16 multiplied by 5. So, and how many rectangles are there? Two rectangles. So we say area of a rectangle still is length times width. So we shall have 16 multiplied by 5 into bracket. There are how many? There are 2, right? 16 multiplied by 5 is 80, and 80 times 2 is 160 square centimeters, and that is done. So we add all of this. We add the two triangular, which is 160 plus 128 plus 24. So we have 160 plus 128. So total surface area is equals to 160 plus 128 centimeters plus 24 centimeters, and our answer shall be 312 square centimeters. 312 square centimeters. So these ones are some of the ways that we do take to do what? To master the triangular, how we can find the surface area of a triangular prism. And a triangular prism usually looks like this. So about all these are the easiest ways on how we can find the surface area. So the surface area is given into several ways that we've discussed. This one is how we can find the surface area of cube. This one is how we can find the surface area of cuboids, and how we can find the surface area of other areas that we've worked on. So what I want to tell you that maths is a very, very easy subject that you can always do what? We can always learn and get to know them. We understand, we find what they want, so that at least we get to know them deeply. This one is a cuboid that we are trying to find its surface area, and this one is a cube that we are working its surface area, and we got it how we can find the area. And this one is a cuboid that we got in how we can find the surface area. And we had also talked about how we can find the triangular prism that is here with us. This one is the triangular prism that we've talked about, and we say that it has two triangular faces and 3 rectangular faces. And we say that it is got by a half multiplied by base times height. And we say that how many it has three faces. And we've also talked about how we can find the area of a circle, and say that the area of a circle is got by using the formula pi, that is here pi r squared, and then from there we get our answer. So this is also another problem that we talked about, and this is also a problem that we have talked about. And now we can find the area and also the surface area. Apart from that, we've also talked about the sector of a circle, whereby we say that for us to get the sector of a circle is theta over 360 multiplied by pi r squared. So what I can assure you is just like, if for example you are enjoying right now, remember to subscribe to this channel. It doesn't cost much to subscribe to this channel now. Just subscribe, hit the button, and get notified whenever we upload any other video on maths. If you're joining us right now, remember to go through the video and learn a lot. Sharpen your math skill. If you are a student, if you're done with school, just have to sharpen your math skills so that you do what? You grow young. You grow young. Otherwise, I want to stop there. We shall proceed next time. Bye bye for now. Thank you. If you're joining for this time, remember to do what? Subscribe to this channel. The channel is waiting, man. I thank you guys for your support. And without you guys, I don't know if this channel could have been where it is right now. You guys have been so amazing. You've supported me. You've made sure that this channel brings the best and the best. And this channel shall continue giving out the best and the best and the best. Today's lesson was quite interesting. I loved how you guys have cooperated, and please may you do so. May you do so. Just subscribe to our channel and continue learning. Recommend this channel to anyone. Share, 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 please. This one is your channel. This one is a community, right? Today we've learned about several things. If we had past 32 minutes since we had started, and please just tune in. I want to stop there, and I want to thank you guys for your support. Thank you. Just subscribe. Subscribe, please. Bye.